This is a review on the common push bar they sell on eBay. I think it's 3-inch. Sell it for about $100. If you're following my channel, you know that the insurance company totaled my truck out, and I'm gonna do a complete rebuild on it. There's old Chevy, old blue. But yeah, so we're gonna take a look at the eBay bull bar and see if it was worth it. So all the welds stayed intact. If you look, it just ripped part of the metal. Flattened out here. Metal pretty much stayed intact. The welds stayed intact. Yeah. Pretty much, I hit a car going, I don't know, 25, 30 miles an hour coming through an intersection. I had the green light, lady had the red. She ran the red, and old blue, heavy Chevy, you know. So it split right here. Kind of get a thickness gauge. I would say it's probably about, maybe, I don't know. I ain't got my micrometer with me. Maybe as thick as like a folded dollar bill in half. Folded twice, maybe. Other than that little split, it stayed together. Did it help protect everything? Along with the big steel bumper? I think it did. So yeah, pretty decent. Not too bad.